Welcome to your new home. Big, beautiful 2,200 square feet home on 3 fenced acres. A lot of privacy with this flag lot. Bring your horse, cows, and chickens. Home is from 2005 but remodeled in 2025. Spacious open split floor plan. Brand new well and pump, new carpet, and high-end vinyl flooring. Fresh paint inside and out. Bedrooms are very spacious with walk-in closets. Huge laundry room with pantry. New covered back porch with beautiful views of the land. High and dry, the property includes a new shed for outside storage. Marion County, located in central Florida and encompassing areas like Ocala, is renowned for its equestrian community. Known as the horse capital of the world, it hosts over 450 horse farms and numerous world-class equestrian events, making it a prime location for horse enthusiasts. The county offers a rural lifestyle with proximity to urban amenities in Ocala, including shopping, dining, and cultural attractions. Gainesville is also just to our north, about 20 miles away, for access to the colleges and the culture. Schedule your private tour today to explore this dream property and start living the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.